and you hate it. You get a spontaneous failure with your equipment. At least it's got one wheel back on. I greased the other side, it was still good. Now, the old red mower, been doing a lot of work, and some neglectful silly person forgot to grease the front axles. Now the other one wasn't that bad, but this one, it's worn itself in. But as an added bonus, it also wore out the shaft in the mower. So, being farmy, improvisey kind of people around here, what I did, well, the rim's still pretty warm, was A, not take the tire off the rim, which I should have done, but you know, we're lazy and always in a hurry. But this shaft was whittled out to like 3 times the size of what it should be, as you can see. And I took a bit of from the stock old trampoline frame, which was the right diameter to fit over the axle and act as a sleeve. So now that's supported all the way through the tyre through to the other side, as you can see, and I'll put a bit of greasy grease on it, so there's still a bit of extra space on this side, but I'm not too worried until I get a new axle, because unfortunately the neglectfulness of not doing your maintenance leads to expense, which means I've got to get myself one of these army arms. Good little mower though, it's done a lot. Starting to show some wear, bashed in guard at the front. Yeah, we don't treat our stuff very nice around here. But yeah, that was a quick fix. That's taken about half an hour without all my dawdle and screwing around that I tend to do in the middle of jumping on computers. But yeah, about 30 minutes and I had my solution for that. See how it holds out until we do the permanent repair, right? There we go. Now, look at things. You'll have the stuff lying around somewhere.